round to 5, or other number, in Python? Is there a built-in function that can round like the following?
I don't know of a standard function in Python, but this works for me. Python 3. It is easy to see why the above works. You want to make sure that your number divided by 5 is an integer correctly rounded. So, we first do exactly that, round x/5, and then since we divided by 5, we multiply by 5 as well. I made the function more generic by giving it a base parameter, defaulting to 5. Python 2. In Python 2, float, kiss smiley would be needed to ensure that does floating point division, and a final conversion to int is needed because round returns a floating point value in Python 2.
For rounding to non-integer values, such as 0.05, I found this useful since I could just do a search and replace in my code to change round to round without having to change the parameter values.
It's just a matter of scaling.
Removing the rest would work. If the value is already an integer. As a function,
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.